Hello friends. Next we will start from a tropoblast. The tropoblast, these cells forms the outer layer of the blastocyst. Basically, the blastocyst is the fluid-filled cavity, and they will be this tropoblast cells will be present since 4 days post fertilization. These trophoblast they will be providing nutrients to the embryo, and these trophoblast develop into future placenta. The first cells that differentiate from the fertilized egg and form extra embryonic structures, and these cells trophoblast cells do not contribute to the embryo. After gastrulation they will develop into ectodome. So the failure of the trophoblast invasion is one of the reasons to develop preeclampsia. Too firm attachment of the trophoblast may lead to placenta accreta. Choriocarcinoma are trophoblastic tumors that form in the uterus, and cytotropoblast is the inner tropoplastic layer. So syncytial tropoplast is the outer layer that only secretes the human chorionic gonadotropin, which maintains the progesterone secretion and sustain the pregnancy. Okay, next rheumatic heart disease is not cause for any congestive heart failure in older age. Then hung up angle reflex is seen in hypothyroidism and mixed edema. Okay, next the sterile vegetation on the inferior surface of the walls is seen in a Lippmann-Sachs endocarditis, that is a systemic lupus erythematosus. So vegetation on the valve cusps and the chordae tendinae is seen in rheumatic fever. Okay, the flail, what is a flail chest is due to fracture of the adjacent ribs. So we can see paradoxical movement of the chest wall associated with a chest contusion. Yeah, it leads to the flail chest will lead to chest pain and breathing difficulties. Then we can see the honeycomb lung. The honeycomb lung is in interstitial pneumonia. Okay, honeycomb lung is seen in interstitial pneumonia. The fibroblastic growth factor 23 is a marker in heart failure and its mortality. Okay, next alpha fetoprotein. It's the protein encoded by alpha fetoprotein gene located in the chromosome 4. So the alpha fetoprotein is produced by yolk sac. So increased alpha fetoprotein is seen in omphalocele gastroschisis and neural tube defect, and also hepatocellular carcinoma, yolk sac tumors, ataxia, telangiectasia. So increased AFB is seen in all these conditions. And then common obsession associated with the people is obsession of contamination. Then marker of bone formation. So marker of bone formation are propeptide of type 1 collagen, then alkaline phosphatase, then osteocalcin. Then a marker of bone resorption or telopeptide of type 1 collagen, then hydroxyproline, pyridinoline, deoxypyridinoline, bone sialoprotein, and trap, that is a tartrate resistant acid phosphatase. So these are the markers of bone resorption. Then a drug of choice for enteric fever is fluoroquinolone. So drug of choice for multi-resistant enteric fever is ceftriaxone. So the causative agent for abdominal TB in HIV is Mycobacterium TB. Ramelteon is the melatonin A and agonist. Okay. Then atosiban is the oxytocin antagonist. Diffusion is not the mechanism for transport of oxygen. Phenytoin causes gum hypertrophy. Then calculation of the degree of freedom is the number of rows multiplied by number of columns. Hormone produced by kidney is calcitriol. Okay, next we will see about giant cell arteritis. Giant cell arteritis, it will affect large vessels. Then a polyarteritis noda, it will affect small vessels. Drug-induced SLE is diagnosed by antihistone antibodies. The common opportunistic infection of HIV in India is TB. Glomerular filtration rate is measured with the help of inulin, and it is equal to 120 ml per minute. An organ of locomotion of a bacteria is flagella. Buruli ulcer is caused by Mycobacterium ulcerans. It is a chronic, debilitating, necrotizing disease of the skin and soft tissue. Then we will discuss about Barlow and Ortolani test. So both of these tests are used for a diagnosis of developmental dysplasia of the hip, that is a DDH. So first is a Barlow maneuver. It is used to dislocate the hip posteriorly. Adducting the hip while forcing the knee posteriorly will cause dislocation of the hip. Then next step of the Ortolani. Okay, next is sorry. Okay, next is a Ortolani test. It is used to relocate the hip. So the flexing the hip and knee at 90 degree will relocate back into acetabulum. So this is about Barlow and Ortolani test. So Barlow is the first used to dislocate the hip. Ortolani is used to relocate the hip. Okay, next is a Lachman test. It is used specifically to diagnose the anterior cruciate ligament injury. Then a Shorman fracture is the osteoporotic vertebral fracture. Okay, most common cause of spontaneous bacterial peritonitis is Escherichia coli. Screening is a type of a secondary prevention. Okay, the hemoglobin has a oxygen carrying a capacity of 1.34 ml of oxygen per gram of hemoglobin. Okay. Then Gartner duct. Gartner duct is the embryological remnant of the mesonephric duct in the females, located in the broad ligament in the females and can give rise to Gartner duct cyst. So paired mesonephric duct in the male will give rise to epididymis, ductus deferens, ejaculatory duct and seminal vesicle. Then next is a Jefferson fracture. So the Jefferson fracture is the burst fracture, that is a fracture of anterior and the posterior arch of the C1 vertebra. Then molluscum contagiosum is caused by pox viruses. That is a Henderson Peterson bodies. So there is a virus inclusions in the cytoplasm can be seen. Okay, next is a lymphogranuloma venerum. It is an ulcerative, this is caused by gram-negative stain of L1, L2, L3 of Chlamydia trachomatis. Azithromycin is a drug of choice for lymphogranuloma venerum. Okay, then morning sickness. Morning sickness, it is not a sign of a definitive sign of a pregnancy. Okay, drug of choice for West syndrome or infantile spasm is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Then a Balt-Hazard scoring is a CT severity index scoring for acute pancreatitis. Then the ascending limb of the loop of Henle is a diluting segment of the nephron. It dilutes 1200 millimole per liter to 1000 millimole per liter. Then it dilutes 1200 milliosmolar per liter to 100 milliosmol per liter. Then highest blood flow per 100 gram per minute is kidney. Highest blood flow per minute the organ is a liver. Then a MAT, that is a microscopic agglutination test. It is a gold standard for diagnosis of leptospirosis. Then a loading dose of any drug depends on volume of distribution and half-life of the drug. Then a maintenance dose of the drug depends on maintenance dose of the drug. It depends on clearance of the drug. Then next we will read about a SHIP group of drugs. They are metabolized by acetylation and they causes systemic lupus erythematosus. That is a SHIP. S for sulfonamides, dapsone, H for hydralazine, I for isoniazid, and P for procainamide. Okay, the nodal officer for COVID-19 is a district collector. Okay, we will read about preclinical trials. We will read about clinical trials. That is, preclinical trials will be done in the animals. Then clinical trials will be done in humans. The phase 1 trial. It is done in a healthy volunteers to test for a maximum tolerable dose. It is an open study. It's not for checking the efficacy. Phase 2 done in patient from 20 to 200, done in big hospital, single blind and unicentric to test the efficacy and safety. Phase 3 done in thousands of patients, multiple hospital, double blind, multicentric to confirm the results of the phase 2. So after the drug is marketed. So the phase 4 is a post-marketing studies to know the rare side effect. Then physostigmine is the drug of choice for atropine poisoning. Drug of choice for mountain sickness is acetazolamide. Then atropine is a drug of choice for organophosphates, carbamates, and early mushroom poisoning. Okay. Then physostigmine is the drug of choice for atropa or tatura poisoning. Usually the beta blockers are contraindicated in diabetes as it masks the hypoglycemic symptoms. Then modafinil is the drug of choice for narcolepsy. Then methylphenidate is a drug of choice for attention deficit hyperkinetic disorder. Okay. Next we will see about next video.